Imagine this. Every year, over 14 million older adults in the US experience a fall. It's a startling reality that affects millions. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a serious problem with the potential to change lives forever. The impacts are not just physical, but emotional and mental as well. Falls can leave lasting scars, both visible and invisible, affecting independence, mobility, and overall quality of life. Falls are the leading cause of injury for adults aged 65 and older, with 1 in 4 older adults falling each year. Even more concerning, less than half of those who fall discuss it with their doctor. The reality is that falls happen in the most unexpected ways and can lead to devastating consequences. Whether it's a trip on a rug, a slip on a wet floor, or even just losing balance while standing up, the results can be catastrophic. But here's the good news. There are simple, effective exercises that can significantly improve your balance and reduce the risk of falls. This isn't about complex routines or expensive equipment. It's about small, manageable steps you can incorporate into your daily life. And by the end of this video, I'll reveal a life-changing technique that can transform your mobility and your confidence in movement. It's something many people overlook, but it could make all the difference. Don't miss out. The final tip could be the key to maintaining your independence and quality of life. Falls among older adults are more than just a statistic. They represent a profound threat to independence and quality of life. Every year, millions of older adults fall. It's a leading cause of injury, and it has a ripple effect on all aspects of life. From decreased mobility to the fear of falling, it impacts both physical and mental health. And unfortunately, the damage doesn't stop with the initial fall. In fact, over 37% of those who fall will sustain injuries requiring medical attention or restriction from their regular activities. These injuries often lead to chronic pain, decreased mobility, and a long recovery time. For some, this can lead to permanent disability, making it harder to complete simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs. Others may face lifelong challenges with joint pain, arthritis, or back problems. But the consequences of falls go beyond physical injuries. The emotional toll can be just as severe. Many individuals experience a decline in mental well-being as they recover from a fall. This often leads to depression, anxiety, and fear of moving around or being active. And over time, this fear grows, making it even harder to regain strength and confidence. Beyond physical harm, falls can instill a pervasive fear of falling, leading individuals to limit their activities. This fear often results in reduced mobility, muscle weakness, and social isolation, all of which make the problem worse. Over time, this becomes a vicious cycle. Limited activity leads to decreased physical health, which leads to even more fear and hesitation to move. And the truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. Many older adults live happy, active lives well into their 80s and 90s. It's possible to maintain mobility and balance, and with the right mindset and exercises, you can significantly reduce the chances of a fall. There's a hidden problem. As we age, maintaining balance becomes increasingly challenging due to a combination of medical and lifestyle factors. This is the part that many older adults don't fully understand. It's not just about getting older. There are specific reasons why balance starts to decline and why falls are so common among those over 70. Understanding these reasons is the first step toward fighting back. Several factors contribute to declining balance in older adults. Muscle atrophy. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken. This muscle loss is particularly noticeable in the legs, hips, and core, 3 crucial areas for maintaining stability. When these muscles become weaker, it becomes harder to stabilize your body when you move. This leads to a higher risk of falls. Vision impairments. Poor vision can significantly impact your ability to maintain balance. Many older adults suffer from conditions like cataracts or glaucoma, which blur vision and make it harder to navigate everyday environments. This can increase the likelihood of missteps and falls, especially in dimly lit areas or crowded spaces. Medication side effects. Many medications that are prescribed to older adults can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or even drowsiness. These side effects can impair coordination and balance, making it harder to stand or walk without support. In some cases, this can lead to falls when you least expect them. What they're not telling you: Healthcare professionals may not always emphasize the cumulative effect of these factors. For example, a combination of muscle weakness and medication side effects could dramatically increase fall risk. But because doctors often focus on one issue at a time, like treating vision problems or adjusting medication dosages, they may not fully explain how all of these factors interact and create a perfect storm for balance problems. Ignoring balance issues doesn't just lead to falls. It has much wider consequences. If you leave these problems unaddressed, you risk the following: loss of independence. The more you limit your movement due to the fear of falling, the more you reduce your overall independence. Everyday tasks like cooking, cleaning, and even walking to the store may start to feel impossible. If you stop doing these activities, your muscle mass will decrease and your mobility will decline even more. Social isolation. As your mobility decreases, you might also withdraw from social activities. The fear of falling while socializing or going out can keep you stuck at home, away from friends and family. This isolation can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression, which only further exacerbates the problem. Physical decline. Avoiding movement due to the fear of falling can lead to further muscle loss and stiffness. When you don't move regularly, your joints become stiff and your muscles lose flexibility and strength. This makes it even more difficult to get back on your feet and regain balance. But here's how to fight back. Maintaining balance isn't just about doing exercises, it's also about lifestyle changes that support overall mobility and reduce fall risk. Making small changes in your daily routine can help significantly improve your balance and confidence. Here are a few lifestyle adjustments you can make to improve your mobility and prevent falls. Proper footwear. Wearing shoes with non-slip soles and good support can help prevent slips and trips. Look for shoes that fit well, have a sturdy sole, and provide adequate arch support. Avoid wearing sandals or slippers with no grip, especially on slippery floors. Regular health checkups. Schedule routine checkups with your healthcare provider to keep track of conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or osteoporosis that can affect balance. Be sure to get regular eye exams to address any vision issues that could lead to falls. Balanced diet. A healthy diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein can help maintain strong bones and muscles. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for bone health, while protein helps build and maintain muscle strength. Foods like leafy greens, dairy, and lean meats should be a part of your diet. What you're missing. There are several other factors that many people overlook, but they're essential to improving balance and preventing falls. Hydration. Dehydration can lead to dizziness and weakness, making you more prone to falling. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and maintain proper body function. Posture. Good posture plays a critical role in balance. When your posture is poor, your body is more likely to become off balance. Focus on standing tall with your shoulders back and your feet flat on the ground. Practice good posture while sitting, standing, and walking. Quality sleep. Sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help restore your body and mind. Lack of sleep can affect coordination, concentration, and balance, making you more likely to fall. Relatable pain points. Making these lifestyle changes isn't always easy, and it's common to face challenges like lack of motivation. It's hard to stay motivated to improve your health when the benefits aren't immediately obvious, but setting small goals and focusing on the positive results like better mobility and confidence can help you stay on track. Consistency. Consistency is key when making lifestyle changes. It can be tough to stick to new habits, especially when you don't see instant results. Keep pushing forward and remember that consistency will pay off in the long run. But then, the real secret lies in. You might be surprised to learn that mental health plays a crucial role in preventing falls. Depression and anxiety can affect both your physical balance and your motivation to stay active. When you feel down or anxious, it's harder to focus on exercises or even get out of bed. But if you work on improving your mental health, you can dramatically improve your physical balance. Engaging in physical activity not only strengthens your body, but also boosts your mood and helps combat depression. Many people overlook the profound impact mental health has on physical balance. Conditions like depression and anxiety can decrease your confidence in your body's ability to stay balanced, making you more hesitant to move. But by improving your mental well-being and staying active, you'll feel more confident and physically capable. It's important to address both your mental and physical health. If you neglect either one, you'll make it harder to maintain balance and mobility. The sooner you take action, the better your chances of staying independent and avoiding falls. Click now to learn more. You do not want to miss this. For more in-depth tips on specific exercises and balance-enhancing techniques, check out our related video here. Top 5 exercises for seniors to keep your body strong and flexible. Remember, taking action today can lead to a healthier, more independent tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on improving mobility, maintaining balance,